I want to get you out to Midlothian Police Department right now, where Brandon Beavers, the husband of the wife Missy Beavers, who was murdered just over 10 days ago, and his father Randy Beavers are talking. Let's listen in.
They had everything. They have my flight tickets, the rental car that we rented in Gulfport, Mississippi. Matter of fact, when I pulled into my driveway Monday at 3 p.m., I was in a car with Mississippi plates on it, and I mean, all of that's a non-issue.
Randy, minor thing, the dry cleaner had your shirt listed as a woman's double XL shirt. Just a mistake. That's your shirt. The dry cleaner listed your shirt with the bloodstains on it as a women's.
Well, my wife's white shirt had bloodstains on it too. So both of us had bloodstains on her shirt and mine. So because it,
So there are two shirts of blood on it.
Yeah.
The one on listed one. Where's the other shirt?
The dry cleaners.
So the dry cleaner calls and says there's blood on.
I don't know what the dry. I don't know the conversation between the cleaners and the police station. Okay, I don't know that conversation.
But you're saying there's blood on two shirts.
There's two shirts that's got blood on it. Okay.
And then, Randy, even though it's brought you this attention, would you say that you're glad that they're looking so closely?
You better
at all
believe
of
it.
this?
You better believe it. You better believe it. If they weren't, they wouldn't be doing their job. Okay, so by them doing this, it tells me that they're being diligent and doing their job on any tiny little whatever comes across is being looked at, and it should be. So that's great.
Do you have a photo of that Chihuahua? I know I keep a lot of photos of my dog.
No, my wife would have, but I don't have one. But but it's just a little.
That was
like
that dog was her. That dog was a very precious animal to her.
Yeah, it
I
was.
mean, very.
What's his or her name?
Huh? Kilo.
Kilo?
Kilo.
Can you get your wife to email us a picture of the dog?
Well, we'll see.
Did you guys talk about anything else with the investigators other than the shirt and the dogs today?
Not really. We've been just sitting in there waiting for you guys to show up. So.
And I know, Brandon, you've talked with investigators several times. You continue to do that clearly. I mean, how many times would you say you've talked with them?
Yeah. I've only had one. Formal interview that was early in an early stage of the game, but and they call me periodically, and I call them periodically because I think of certain things that I want to make sure that they're looking into. I even called them today, and I was like, "You need to look into this avenue. You need to look at this," and in 90% of the cases, they've already done it. So, but it's, I sit and I think about catching this person, and I think I just role play in my mind any possible leads that I can give. But in 90% of the times that I've reached out to them to provide them this information, they've already gone down the avenue.
And I know when we talked with you last, you had said that you believe she had walked in on a burglary.
I need to clarify that. When I came up here to review, now you got to remember, that was on Tuesday or Monday when I gave that statement?
I want to say it was Tuesday.
Okay. You got to remember, no sleep. I'm in bad health, and no, I do not believe that she was. I believe that she was targeted. Okay, that's my opinion. That's not any information that anybody provided me, but I believe she was targeted.
For what reason?
Yeah, for why? I mean,
Evidence, for reasons of evidence, I'm not going to say that, but. There's no reason, if a person, you have to ask yourself, if a person's going to break into a church, what are they going to take? What are they there to steal? AV equipment? I work in a church. Some of the most expensive equipment in a church is AV equipment, or money from tithings from the previous day. Okay, those are the two things.
So we're listening to Brandon Beavers in the checkered shirt and his dad next to him, Randy Beavers. And the whole reason they're at Midlothian PD this afternoon talking is because the father and the father-in-law of the murdered Missy Beavers showed up at a dry cleaner, had bloody clothing, and the dry cleaner brought that to the attention of Midlothian PD, obviously. And a lot of questions been swirling through this afternoon. That blood, could it be tied to the murder of Missy Beavers? And the police department, we've been in communication with them, and the late word is they believe the story of Randy Beavers, and that is related to an animal involved, a dog, and some bleeding was involved in some kind of incident with a dog. So.
We do want to make clear, though, that no suspects' names have been released. We're just hearing questioning, and both of them addressing the media right now.
Yep, there you go.